Hi everybody, Monty here. And we're into quadrilaterals. So we're through the circles, we're into four-sided objects, and we've been using all of these vocabulary terms like bisect. We've talked about perpendicular, so think 90 degrees, squares, rectangles, quadrilateral, any four-sided object, right? Any four-sided object, okay? Parallel, parallelogram, opposite angles. We're just now starting that idea of opposite angles, and we did a little bit of math, calculating opposite angles, the diagonals. What happens when we draw a diagonal, and opposite sides. Cool. So that's right where we are in class, and we're in Thanksgiving week. So week 10, week 11, December 1st. Here we go. Okay, so the other day we actually studied drawing things on this inside and outside circle, the vertices and what happens, okay? And you can see we got 2 of them done, and there's like, wow, 8 more problems. So here we go. The diagonals of quadrilateral SFCH, SFCH. So we're going to find an S. S, F, C, H. And you have to go in order, otherwise it won't draw it right. So there's a classic diamond. You drew a rhombus. All right. So the diagonals are not congruent. Nope, they're not. Okay, the diagonals, connecting them together. And the diagonals do not bisect. Yes, this is equal to this. This is equal to this. So they do. And they appear to be perpendicular. Absolutely. They appear to form a 90 degree, like a kite, right? All right. Okay. Use the draw tool BTG, BTDG, BTCG. Ooh, a kite. A kite. I love it. So they're not congruent. Diagonals are not the same. They bisect. No, not both. One, but not both. The diagonals intersect at the circle. They divide into 2 congruent segments. The diagonals do not bisect each other. I'd say that they do not bisect each other. The diagonals of BT, DG, reset, Monty messed up, BTDG. Okay, so I drew it wrong. First mistake I ever made. Yes, they're 90 degrees. Quadrilaterals, BTDG, can only be named a rhombus with diagonal LW. LW. So, if the diagonal is here, LW, we want to go up, over, down. So, how about WRLP? WR, caps, WLRP. WRLP. WRLP. There we go. All right. Whew. Tougher than it looks. Tougher than it looks. Okay. So BFDH. BF. B. F, D, H. Ooh, that's a square. Yeah, we drew a square. So they are, and they are. NWQL, NWQL, NWQL. Hey, a square. Yes, yes, and yes. Everything is perfect. Now, GT, GT, GSTC. Yep, that's what I did a lot. Okay, GT, GS, GSTC. All right. Cool. Now we're rocking this joint. Yeah, let's do one more. I like 10-minute videos. That way, kind of divides it up since we do 20 minutes a week. BFCH, BFCH. Hey, there's our first kite. Dun, dun, dun. So they are not congruent. They do not bisect each other, but they do appear to be perpendicular. Yes. Okay. Now, V, Y, boom, X, Z, complete the statement. So, the diagonals are not congruent. The diagonals. Consider V, Y, X, Z. Then complete each statement. The diagonals are V, X, Y, Z. V, X, Y, Z. They do not bisect each other. They are perpendicular. I'm not sure why it said the diagonals of V, X, Y, Z are congruent. I don't agree. Strange. Okay, MK. So let's reset. MK. 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 Use the tool, diagonal MK. So MPKQ. 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 Good. Now let's try one more. See if we can get a 10-minute video in here. PKQL. PKQL. Whoa, trapezoid. That's a trapezoid. Okay, so they are congruent. They do not bisect each other. They are not 90 degrees. No way. BK. Really? They appear. Yes, they do. BKCL. BKCL. All right. They are congruent. They do not bisect, and they do not appear. That's interesting. That first one did appear, didn't it? So RN. Where's RN? There's an N. There's an R. Use the draw tool with a diagonal R in. That's going to be a diagonal. Ding, ding. Oh, R, M, N, W. It was upside down. Okay. R, M, N, W. R, N, M, W. In order. R, M. R, M. Dyslexic, huh? No. R, M, N, W. There we go. Phew. Okay, so I think we're halfway. Okay, this is a long workspace. All right, so let's check this next problem out, and we'll stop this video. Week 11, quadrilaterals. Oh, wow. There's that chart from class, isn't it?